everyone, this is Mark from Phace Installations. We have a Citroen C3 in today for an audio upgrade. Very poor sound quality from the factory stereo, FM radio very poor, and we are going to upgrade it with a DAB stereo with Bluetooth hands-free. So if you've got this factory stereo in your car, we can replace it and give you a bit more of a modern feel. Even do steering wheel controls. If your vehicle's got steering wheel controls, we can keep them as well. So you can see the standard stock stereo, only FM radio, no DAB, very poor sound. So let's go and take that out, fit a new Pioneer stereo, give it a bit of a makeover, and let's come back afterwards and see what we've done. Right, we're all done. We've taken the whole factory stereo out and given it that modern feel. Let's show you what we've done. Jump in the vehicle. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful Pioneer head unit, DAB, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth music streaming, colour match to the dash, looks great. Got a microphone up there in the interior light. Let's start it up and show you what's what. So we've got DAB radio there. And if I scroll through, standard radio, your FM, got auxiliary, got Bluetooth audio, back to DAB. Also got USB socket there, so you can plug your phone in if you want to charge your phone. And just below we've got the auxiliary socket, 3.5mm, if you want to plug in an old iPod. It's all the DAB radio stations it's picking up at the moment, just by pressing the search button. And when you're happy with what station you want, just push the dial in and it will select the station. Take the keys out, stereo switches off. All as it should, just like the factory. Just with more of a modern feel and Bluetooth hands-free as well. Yeah, I think the customer's going to really like this. Book your vehicle in, phaceinstallations.co.uk, or give us a call on 01404 515 030 to discuss your requirements. Thanks for watching.